Hey side hustlers, looking for an easy way to earn some extra cash from home or honestly anywhere? Today I'm sharing Sproutful, a free online survey platform that pays you for your opinions. If you've ever wondered, are paid survey sites legit? Stick with me, because I've tested this one out myself. Before we jump in, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm always sharing the best and most effective ways to make money online, and I love tailoring content for viewers all over the world. So, drop a comment and let me know which country you're watching from. That way, I can make videos just for you. Alright, let's get started. Sproutful is a survey platform that's totally free to join. Yup, no hidden fees, no weird loopholes. All you need is a few minutes and your honest opinions. Once you sign up, you'll land on a super clean dashboard. Right away, you'll see a list of surveys waiting for you. Each one shows exactly how long it should take and how many points you'll earn for finishing it. Honestly, I love that transparency. You know upfront if a survey is worth your time or not. And yes, the surveys are actually interesting. We're talking about topics like food trends, tech gadgets, shopping habits. You'll never get bored clicking through. Now here's the important part. Those points you rack up, you can cash them out for real rewards. Think gift cards for Amazon or Starbucks, or even a prepaid Visa card if you want straight-up spending power. So you're not just stacking up points that never go anywhere, you're actually earning something useful. One thing to note, Sproutful is currently only open to residents of the United States. I know, bummer for my international viewers, but hang tight. I'm always on the hunt for global options, so let me know in the comments where you're from, and I'll keep my eyes peeled for platforms in your region. If you're ready to dive in, just head to Sproutful's website, sign up, and you can start taking surveys right away. It's honestly one of the most straightforward ways to earn a little extra on the side, perfect for anyone with a busy schedule or looking to monetize their downtime. Alright, let me know if you try it out, and share your experience below. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with a friend who's looking to boost their income. Your support seriously means the world to me. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new way to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.